Hey guys, I'm Sarah. I'm here today at the Schwarzkopf studio with Megan Blunk.
Hi.
And Megan has already had a major hair color transformation from the Schwarzkopf team. She has a lived-in old money blonde look, and now we're going to style it using some OSiS products to really make the color pop. So I personally really like to blow dry some product into the hair while it's dry to give it kind of like a weightless hold. So that's what I'm going to start off with. Generally on set, since we don't get enough time to start from the hair wet, so for photo shoots I'm typically dry styling, and that's just a trick that I've found over time that helps add that weightless texture but isn't as time consuming. All right, next up we're gonna start curling the hair. I'm gonna work from the bottom up section by section, and I'm gonna use both the Hold Elastic and the Texture Craft to create more of that weightless texture. We're kind of just doing like a soft wave. It's gonna be open in the front so you can really kind of see the dimension, and she has some really beautiful face framing blonde pieces that I think are gonna really brighten her up, so we're showcasing that. So I'm just curling these last few pieces around the face, away from the face to really open it up, and then we're gonna shake it out and finish it off. All right, we're finished styling now, so I'm just gonna give her a little shimmy shake at the root and reveal.
Ooh, that looks good. I love it. Wow. You did a good job.